Hello students, today we are going to see an activity to find the multiplication of two fractions. In multiplication of fractions, as I have written over here, 1 by 4th of 1 by 2 means we are taking a fraction of a fraction. Taking a fraction of a fraction is also known as the multiplication of fractions. So we are going to multiply. When there is off, we are changing off with the multiplication sign. So 1/4 of half. In multiplication of fraction, we are multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So if I multiply numerator with numerator, 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1, and if I multiply 4 with the 2, it will be 8. So we are going to prove this by doing an activity. So for that we require a plain paper, a paper cutter. So first of all, I am going to take half of this paper. So I am going to cut this paper in the midway. So I am folding the paper into halves and then going to cut it at the center with a paper cutter or scissors. Now you will see that the paper actually is divided into two equal parts. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out 1/4 of this half. So for finding out 1/4 of this paper, we are going to fold this paper first of all in the midway. Again, we are going to fold the paper for one more time so that the edges will overlap. And if I open this, I will find that this half of the paper is now divided into 4 equal parts. So what we require is 1/4, means fourth part of this half paper. So I am going to cut this fourth part of this paper. So if I cut the fourth part of this half of paper, and if I compare with this whole paper, you will be able to see this whole paper first of all is divided into 8 equal parts. One part is 1/8, and now when I take the 1/4 of the half, it is also the 1/8. You can match the size of this piece with the 1/8 part of this paper. So multiplication of 1/4 with half of two fractions is nothing but we are multiplying numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So we find out taking the 1/4 of half is equal to 1/8. Thank you.